Vortex mixers are versatile laboratory instruments designed to mix or agitate small volumes of liquid or suspensions by creating a swirling motion. They come in various types to suit different needs and applications in fields such as biology, chemistry, and medical research. Key types of vortex mixers: mini vortex mixers, compact design, lightweight and take up minimal space. Versatile, can accommodate a variety of sample holders and adapters. Adjustable speed, variable speed settings for precise control. Digital vortex mixers, electronic controls, precise speed adjustment and digital display. Timer function, automatic shut-off after a set time. Memory settings, store frequently used settings for convenience. Orbital vortex mixers, orbital motion, creates a circular motion instead of just vortexing. Gentle mixing, suitable for delicate samples. Variable speed, adjustable speed settings for flexibility. Heated vortex mixers, temperature control, maintains samples at a constant temperature. Ideal for incubation, useful for reactions requiring specific temperatures. Precise temperature adjustment, digital controls for accurate temperature settings. Multi-tube vortex mixers, high capacity, simultaneously mix multiple tubes. Flexible adapter options, accommodate various tube sizes and shapes. Adjustable speed, tailored to specific mixing needs. Conclusion, selecting the right type of vortex mixer depends on the specific needs of your laboratory work. Whether you require precise temperature control, gentle mixing for delicate samples, or high-capacity mixing, there is a vortex mixer that suits your requirements. To learn more about vortex mixers and related products, feel free to visit my homepage and contact me via email. I will respond within 24 hours.